Jamaica. Jamaica. Jamaican in Jamaica. 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 Jamaica.
Welcome to Rate JA, where we rate everything Jamaica. Vice President Kamala Harris is in the run to possibly become the 47th President of the United States of America.
She will not be your first female president.
In November, we will win.
We've heard a lot about her Indian background, as that is the side she mostly grew up with, but not a lot about her Jamaican heritage.
Both of your parents are immigrants. Your father is from Jamaica.
Though few, hopefully hearing about the top moments where Kamala Harris herself made mention of anything Jamaican related will give us more insight. Let's go. Number 5. Jamaican food. In the article by the Washington Post titled Donald Harris, Kamala's Jamaican Connection, it is highlighted that Kamala Harris tries to do as her father, as it relates to remembering where she comes from. In supporting that sentiment, Kamala wrote that even as she prepares for the transition to the vice presidential residence at One Observatory Circle, she still has frozen juicy patties in her fridge and a recipe for oxtail that she is longing to perfect.
What are all the patty them juicy patty? And you want see patty here.
Number 4. Bob Marley music. In the same article by the Washington Post, Kamala recounts her experience at age 13 watching Bob Marley and the Wailers perform on the campus of the University of California at Berkeley, finding herself mesmerized. She said in an email to the Post, and I quote, "We sat up top in the back of the theater, and as I watched the performance, I was in complete awe. To this day, I know the lyrics to nearly every Bob Marley song." End quote.
Well, yes.
Number 3. The stereotypical marijuana Jamaican joke. In a Breakfast Club interview, when asked about her alleged opposition on the legalization of marijuana, Kamala rejected this view, stating that she isn't against it and alluded to her Jamaican background.
Oppose legalizing weed.
That's not true.
I know.
and look, I joke about it, half joking. Half my family's from Jamaica. Are you kidding me?
This was met with disdain by her father, who commented on the family name being connected to the fraudulent Jamaican stereotype of a pot-smoking joy seeker, done in pursuit of identity politics. She was also asked about her favorite Jamaican food, and Kamala went off in what we would call an attempt at the Jamaican accent.
What's your favorite meal to cook?
Curry goat. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. them gonna bush and bring me back a goat. Now cook it up.
No sesame. No sesame.
Number 2. Visits to Jamaica. After her parents finally separated at age 7, Harris and her sister would still visit her father in the summers and take trips to Jamaica. She hints at this in her speech at the bilateral meeting at the White House with Prime Minister Andrew Holness.
As a point of personal privilege, I grew up going to Jamaica. My family, half of my family is from St. Anne Parish.
She would visit the market of Brownstown, where her great-grandmother had a family store, and she and her sister would run through the old family properties and the sugarcane fields. Number 1. Her Jamaican father. It is no secret that Kamala's father, Donald Harris, is from Jamaica.
My father, Donald Harris, a student from Jamaica.
Both her immigrant parents met during their studies in the U.S.
At the University of California, Berkeley, she met my father, Donald Harris.
Though his involvement in her formative years was minimal, in the Washington Post she states, and I quote, "My father, like so many Jamaicans, has immense pride in our Jamaican heritage and instilled the same pride in my sister and me. We love Jamaica. He taught us the history of where we are from, the struggles
Visa
and beauty of the Jamaican people, and the richness of the culture." End quote. This concludes our list. Do you believe that Kamala Harris will be the next president of the United States of America?
Yeah, man.
Let us know in the comments. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.